If you want to learn how to blend two videos in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to combine two clips using CapCut's blend settings so you can create smooth, creative, and professional-looking edits. This is perfect if you want to make cinematic effects, double exposure styles, aesthetic transitions, or just add a more polished look to your videos. And before we jump in, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials, just like this. Now let's get started. First, open CapCut PC and start a new project, or open the project you already want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, import the two video clips you want to blend. You can do this by dragging and dropping them into your media panel, then bringing them down into the timeline. The key here is to stack the clips properly. Put your first video on the main track, which is usually video 1, and then place your second video directly above it on video 2. This stacking is important because the blend effect works between the top clip and the clip underneath it. Now click on the upper video clip to make sure it's selected. This is the overlay clip, and this is the one you'll be adjusting. Once it's highlighted, look toward the top right section of CapCut. You should see the video tab. Click on that, then go into the basic settings. When you scroll down, you'll find the blend option in the drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. Open the blend menu and you'll see different blending styles you can use. Some of the most popular options are overlay, soft light, and screen. Each one gives a slightly different look, so it's worth trying a few to see which one fits your project best. Overlay is great for boosting contrast and creating a stronger visual effect. Soft light gives a smoother, more subtle blend. Screen works really well if you want to brighten the image and create a more layered, glowing style. After choosing your blend mode, don't forget to use the opacity slider. This lets you control how strong the blend effect looks. If the effect feels too intense, lower the opacity a little. If you want the blend to stand out more, raise it. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so take a moment to fine-tune it until the two videos look balanced and clean. If needed, you can also scrub through the timeline and preview the result from different points in the video. That way, you can make sure the blend looks good throughout the entire clip, not just in one frame. If the effect isn't matching the style you want, go back and try another blend mode or adjust the opacity again. A little testing goes a long way here, and that's really all there is to it. By stacking your two clips, selecting the upper one, choosing a blend mode in CapCut PC, and adjusting opacity, you can blend two videos together in just a few steps. It's an easy technique, but it can completely change the look and feel of your edit. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut editing tips, beginner guides, and simple software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.